everyone, I am Almarty Belenson from BSIT2A, and today I'll be demonstrating the GUI design that I created using Java AWT. Uh, this is system settings module of my utility billing system project. So last time I presented using uh, last time I presented the system, but that system is used uh, React.js. Today I'll presenting you what I build using Java AWT. And this design was focuses only on layout and the design only. There is no back end and functionality here. So at the top we have the header panel in blue. So it's likely the same in my previous presentation. So this contains the title of the system, and here in the center, this is the container panel uh, with form elements. So here the user can input the system name. Example, we input here um, sample system name. Oh, but we can't change the system name in the header because there is no functionalities and backend here that can change the system name. And also here in the currency, you can choose either Philippine peso, US dollar, or euro that you can that you use. And in the billing cycle, you can also choose quarterly, yearly, and monthly. So next is the late payment fee. You can enter here uh, example 10 days, 10 days, 10% late payment fee. And next is the grace period days. So the grace period days example is 5 days. And next is the enable and disable notification. If you want to enable, just click this icon or button. And lastly, the save settings button, you can click here. But as I've said, there is no functionality here, and we can change the system settings. So this design demonstrates the system settings GUI for the utility billing system. It uses Java AWT components and uh, like frame, panel, label, text field, choice, checkbox, and button uh, uh, arranged with grid grid bag grid bag layout for proper alignment. So this this is only the design stage. So back-end functionality is not yet implemented. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.